What is going on, guys? It is your boy Sebastian from FTech here, coming right at you with a new video. So in today's video we've got a new Lenovo L15 Gen 1 ThinkPad, and this is a computer that a customer has ordered, and we're going to do a little unboxing today, show you what it looks like and what it's made of and what's inside. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do first is just break this seal up here. Always cut towards yourself. So we can then open this bad boy up and we are presented with a new, very nice laptop. Now, generally speaking, Lenovo laptops are usually very good. However, there are always some better and some worse ones. What else do we get in the box? There's a power supply in here, which you can see, which will power the battery of this device. Now, the customer went with the 256 GB SSD and 8 GB of RAM, but you can also upgrade it to a 512 GB SSD and 16 GB of RAM. So, now, here you can see the device. Now, just like every other Lenovo, looks very nice in this matte black finish. The whole chassis is actually made from plastic or PVC, and yeah, feels nice, has a nice weight to it. And I'm just going to open this bad boy up. You can see there's some two metal hinges back here, which feel quite durable, I have to say. Once we take this off, you can see here it's a Ryzen 5 Pro. It's a Ryzen 5 Pro. We've got a decently sized trackpad, although not anywhere as big as, say, a MacBook Pro, for example, or MacBook Air for that matter. Also the Lenovo typical knob here, which can also control the cursor. We've also got a fully sized numpad. The keyboard does feel nice. Has a nice feel to it, nice travel. Yeah, it looks like it's a good thing. Alright, so here on the left side of the device we have the charging port. We have got the port for the docking station, which is available. Then we also have a USB port, an HDMI port, as well as a micro SD card reader with an LTE module up top. And here on the far left we have the Ethernet port, which probably supports up to 10 gigs. And on the right side of the device we have a USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a Kensington lock thing where you can put a Kensington lock in. And then on the bottom we have some inlets for the vents, so it stays cool. And again, this is all plastic. Lenovo also offers a higher end chassis. Now, although this isn't the highest end PC Lenovo offers, obviously, we think that it's a great value for money thing, and it runs you at about 1,000 euros. This might vary wherever you live, and maybe it's on sale sometimes. it's cheaper then, but yeah. So overall, we think it's a good package and it suits the customer very well. And we hope that we've given you some sort of insight into what you can expect when getting one. Right, so that's basically it. Just a quick unboxing and showing you what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.